everyone! Today, my dinner is sinigang na salmon belly. Oh my God, this is so good! Oh, yes! I feel like I'm in a farm in the province, in our land, in Bicol region, Philippines. So, bon appetit guys! It's so good, it's so delicious! Ayan guys, so another mini harvest of my celery. So I'm giving it away for free to my co-worker here in the house. So yeah. So I harvested this. So this is good for liver and kidney detox. The celery. The one that I made last time. So it's good. So for free. Yeah. So this is a lot. It's like 1 kilo or maybe 2 kilos. So, because we miss eating sinigang na may moringa or malunggay, that's why tonight on Friday, I'm gonna cook my sinigang na malunggay. Sinigang na salmon with malunggay. Here you go, the ingredients. See guys, the price plus tax. This $9.39 plus tax is gonna be $12, and this one for $65 plus tax is gonna be $5.50 or $6. And then I'm boiling already my onions, ginger, and garlic. So before I'm gonna add this, because salmon, it's easy to cook. Within 8 minutes it's cooked already. And also this one, I don't wanna be soggy, the vegetables and the salmon, because you know when it's become soggy, you're losing a lot of nutrients and vitamins. And plus celery from my garden, of course, I'm gonna add this also to make it smells nice. So now it's boiling already for 5 minutes. So let's add the celery, organic celery from my garden, and the moringa. So more than $20 guys for 2 meals this weekend. And then because this one is in the pack, after they cut the salmon, they put right away in the pack, so you don't have to wash it. To avoid having salmonella, because salmonella is come from the water. So we just gonna add that. Smells so good, guys. And close the lid. Within 8 minutes, we have our sinigang na salmon for dinner. That's it. No carbs, no rice. So, just the vegetables, the superfood moringa. So, you don't need rice. Especially if you have a diabetes or you want a diet. So, just eat like that. No need carbs, no need rice. And of course, to make it more delicious, our fish sour soup or sinigang, we're gonna add 1 big lemon. And you have to remove the seeds, guys. So, I don't want to use strainers because I want to get the, you know, the lemon pulp or yung parang mga hibla. So, I'm just gonna remove the seeds. So, ito yung pampasarap. So, I always use natural ingredients, guys, to be healthy. I don't use the sinigang mix because too much chemical and too much salt on it. To be healthy, use natural. All the factory made, all the packaging made, those a lot of preservatives. So we just gonna remove the seeds. Usually some people they use a strainer, but because I don't wanna waste the hibla or yung you know the pulp of lemon. So that's why I'm just using my fingers to remove the seeds. And it's easy, guys. A lot of seeds. So you don't include the seeds because you know the seeds, when you cook, it stays bitter. So if you don't want your sinigang taste bitter, remove the seeds of lemon. If you don't have lemon, in the Philippines, you can use calamansi. So I use one big lemon. You can use like 7 to 10 pieces of small calamansi. That's how I do in the Philippines, guys. When I cook sinigang in our province, I use so many calamansi to make it sour. Because you know, in the farm or in the forest, in the mountain, we don't have those kind of sinigang mix most of the time. So I remove all the seeds. So most of the times we use the tamarind flowers in the Philippines to make it more delicious, our sinigang. Sinigang sa sampalok, or sinigang sa mangga, sinigang sa bayaba, something like that, guys. So now, it's been 8 minutes already, and we can hear some, sound. So it means it's cooked already. So before we have to turn it off. So I cook it, it's in a medium heat. So let's try to open it now after I turn it off. So, using Salad Master, when you are cooking, you don't have to stir. You're gonna stir it only after it's done cooking. So, let's check it out if it's really cooked. See, guys? So, it's really cooked after 8 minutes. Now, it's cooked already. Even the salmon belly, it's really done. So, let's add the lemon. There you go. So we have a very nutritious, very healthy dinner. So now, before I'm gonna eat this, I think I'm just gonna put some here for my dinner. Ooh, look at that, guys. So, yummy. I add only see guys, it's so yummy. Oh, ang daming taba. Super sarap nito. See, sinigang na salmon at moringa. I want more belly. Diba? Super mahal kasi ng salmon. It's very expensive, guys, the salmon here. And before I'm gonna eat, let's cover this here. Before I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna add a black pepper. So easy to absorb easily the nutrients of the fish and the tomatoes and the moringa. Moringa is superfood. So let's eat. Let's try first. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, yes. I feel like I'm in a farm in the province, in our land, in Bicol region, Philippines. So, bon appetit, guys! It's so good, it's so delicious! So, bye-bye! I'm gonna enjoy my food first. Super yummy. It's cooked in a Salad Master 6.5 quarts, top stove. And so delicious. I finished the one big bowl of sinigang na salmon belly. Here you go. It's keep clicking my herbal tea. These herbal tea are onions peel, garlic peel, so many of them, lemon peel or lemon skin, bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon stick, 3 pieces cinnamon stick, 2 lemongrass. Let's check it out. It's done already. I've been boiling it for 30 minutes in a low heat. See, guys? So Let's check. Oh, wow. Look at that. The color is red. It's very high of antioxidant. Let's put in the thermos. So, when I wake up tomorrow, it's still hot. Masyadong maliit ang butas ng aking thermos or yung bibig ng aking thermos. So, medyo tumatapon siya. Okay lang guys kasi marami naman to na aking nilaga. At iinom ako nito before. I'm gonna drink this before bedtime and after bedtime. So, wake up in the morning. The first drink, I'm gonna drink this one while I'm boiling my fenugreek in the morning because I have to drink also the fenugreek. So, yan. Puno na siya, oh. At takpan na natin. So, lalagyan ko pa to ng lemon kapag iinumin ko na siya. At ito naman ngayon ay ang ating iinumin before bedtime tonight. So, it's 11:15 already. I'm trying to become sleepy. Sinasala ko siya guys kasi maraming sumasabit. Lalo yung mga balat ng bawang tsaka ano. May kasama din siyang raw bawang guys. 7 pieces ng raw bawang sinamahan ko. Ganyan ako maglaga. So may bay leaf siya. Tsaka maraming bay leaf. May bawang at maraming balat ng bawang, balat ng sibuyas, ginger, garlic at turmeric, cinnamon, bay leaf. So, hindi ko na siya sinamahan ng mga oregano. So, minsan kasi may oregano. So, depende sa maisipan ko, guys. At ito, lalagyan pa natin to ng hibiscus flowers na dried. So, ayan na yung aking hibiscus flowers. Tinanggal ko na siya sa malaking bag kasi konti na lang. Gawa ng ginagawa ko na rin siyang sabon at piniferment ko na rin siya. So, ayan na, oh. Nilagay ko na. At lalagyan ko din siya ng lemon para may vitamin C. So, bago matulog guys, kaya I'm always healthy. Kahit lagi akong walang tulog, halos walang tulog, 3 hours to 5 hours lang ang tulog ko, malakas ang katawan ko. Kasi yan ang mga nagpapalakas ng aking katawan, puro herbal. At nilaga ko siya sa MP5 Salad Master. So, multi-purpose 5 quart Salad Master Cookware Electric. At ito na nga ang ating lemon. Paga-paga na. Kalahating lemon ang ipapaga natin para maraming vitamin C. Ayan. And then, tomorrow, this peel, I'm gonna remove the lemon zest and I'm gonna dry it for my soap making. Yung paggawa ng sabon, yan. Isa yan sa ingredients na pinaprocess ko, guys. So, walang tapon. Either na isama ko siya sa gagawing tea at dahil meron na akong tea hanggang bukas, hanggang Sunday na to, tomorrow ay Saturday. So, good for 3 days na itong pinapakuluan ko dito kasi malaki ang thermos na yan. 3 cups yan or 3 mugs. Tapos ito, pwede ko pa siyang pakuluan uli kasi 2 beses ako niya nagpapakulo itong aking mga herbs. So, ayan. Ganyan ako guys. Walang tapon. Walang sayang sa akin. Tapos, pag nagamit ko na yan, ito, pag natapakuluan ko uli yan, at idinadry ko yan guys, nilalagay ko yan dyan, oh, lahat ng basura nandito guys, oh. Pati yung moringa na katangkay, ayan, oh. Lahat yan ng mga basura ko guys, pinapakuluan ko yan at gagawin ko naman siyang organic fertilizer. O, diba? Ganyan ako ka sinop, kapaki-pakinabang.